चलिए चलते हैं कराची, जहाँ वज़ीर आज़म नवाज शरीफ खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Chief of the Naval Staff, Commandant Pakistan Naval Academy, Khwaja Mohammad Asif, Minister for Defence, Excellencies, distinguished guests, midshipmen, cadets, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It gives me immense pleasure to be among you this morning to review the passing out parade at the Pakistan Naval Academy. I compliment all those officers and staff who over the years have played their part in making this national institution a center of excellence among regional maritime training institutes. Pakistan Naval Academy has come a long way since its inception in 1970. The wide range of subjects related to marine sciences being taught in the academy speaks volume of the standards being set by the academy. Furthermore, the ISO certification of the academy is a proof in itself of the quality education being imparted to the young cadets in this alma mater. I am confident that in the coming years, Pakistan Naval Academy will achieve even more successes by the grace of God. Dear passing out officers, today is indeed the most cherishable occasion in your lives, as from now on, you join ranks of those who are safeguarding maritime frontiers of our motherland and protecting its ideology. Its ideology, integrity and freedom. Pakistan Navy is a unique force in the sense that it not only commands our maritime frontiers, but is also trained to encounter our enemies on ground as well as in the air. This is a significant task to accomplish, and I congratulate you, your parents and the faculty of Pakistan Naval Academy for extending invaluable contribution in your remarkable upbringing and grooming as responsible officers. Dear officers, leadership qualities are very important in the making of an efficient defense officer. A true leader leads from the front and sets an example for others. This earns the loyalty of those who follow. Always remember, a leader is one who is not only mentally and physically tough, but one who is open to new ideas and can be calm and composed in difficult situations. And most importantly, one who can have the trust of those whom he leads. I encourage you to do what it takes to develop this trust and confidence and instill a deep spirit of unity of purpose in your team. During discharge of your duties as officers in various capacities, always ensure that interest of the state remains your prime goal. Never let your personal feelings stand in the way. My dear cadets, Pakistan Navy has a proud history and has performed with excellence, whether it was Operation Dwarka in 1965 or submarine operation of 1971, or supporting the civilian governments in times of natural calamities like earthquakes or floods. You have strong examples to follow, and I am confident that you shall make the nation proud, just like your seniors have in the past. Ladies and gentlemen, today Pakistan is more stable and more democratic. Sound policies to counter external as well as internal threats are bringing results. Today, Pakistan Navy is a capable and professional force, and I am fully convinced that Navy will prove its mettle in safeguarding maritime integrity of our country. Alhamdulillah, Pakistan's maritime defense is impregnable. I assure you that the nation stands strongly behind you and shall ensure that Pakistan Navy is equipped with latest weaponry and technology to safeguard national frontiers. The recent induction of indigenously made frigates, fast attack surface-to-surface missiles capacity, and the acquisition of 6 modified P-3C aircraft with latest avionics sensors into Pakistan Navy will significantly add to the combat potential of Pakistan Navy fleet. I am pleased to know, ladies and gentlemen, that midshipmen from our brotherly countries are also on Navy Day. I wish them well. The training they are receiving here would not only help them in professionally serving their nation, but it would also be a reminder of the long-lasting friendship our countries mutually enjoy. And for those trainees of the brotherly countries who are passing out today, I am confident that the bonds of friendship formed at this level will augment friendship between our nations. In the end, I once again applaud the efforts put in for this spectacular day. I congratulate all the young cadets and midshipmen on the successful completion of training and wish them exciting, challenging and rewarding career ahead. I would particularly like to congratulate midshipman Rohil Shahzad for winning the coveted Sword of Honor and Foxhole Squadron for winning the Proficiency Banner. I also wish the officers of the Academy and those connected with it all the best in the endeavor to scale greater heights of excellence and commitment to our national goals and cherished values. May Allah be always your guide and protector. Ameen. Pakistan Navy Zindabad. Pakistan Paindabad.
वज़ीर आज़म नवाज शरीफ PNS मेहरान में पासिंग आउट परेड से खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने हौसला अफजाई करते हुए उम्मीद की कि पाकिस्तान नेवी मुस्तकबिल में भी कामयाबियां हासिल करे। उन्होंने कहा कि नेवी बहरिया और फ़ज़ाइया को भी मुआवनत फराहम करती है और बहरिया ने कुदरती आफात में भी आवाम की भरपूर मदद की है। मुस्तकबिल में भी उन्होंने अच्छी विशेष का इजहार करते हुए 101 कैडेट्स जो पास आउट कर गए हैं उनको भी मुबारकबाद दी।